Maslow created this hierarchy of needs, this chart here, to identify what are the different human needs that people have that must be fulfilled. And so his original thought was he encouraged people to go from the top to the bottom. I'm going here, from the top to the bottom. So starting off with your physiological needs, which is food, water, warmth, meaning shelter, rest. Your safety needs, you need to be secure and safe to survive. And then these kind of going into more of your psychological and self-fulfillment needs. So you need to feel belonging, you need to feel accepted, you need to feel that your feelings are validated, and then kind of going into the self-actualization piece. And it kind of touched on something Jeremy said earlier about his clients having fear of kind of just working their whole lives. This kind of goes into that self-actualization piece where people need to feel fulfilled, especially in American culture.